So there is a very simple asana for hip mobility. What all you need to do? Come on your knees. Take one leg forward like this. Now you can keep your hands clasped or you can place them on your waist, whatever you feel like. And then as you breathe in, go forward. Feel the stretch in your pelvic and inner thigh area. And as you exhale, come back and straighten your knee. Breathe in, exhale. How many times you need to do this? 10 times from each leg. And exhale. And ये करते वक्त ऐसा हो सकता है, you might feel that you may hurt your knee, so you can just place a cushion under your knee and then do it. So try it for yourself.